Modern fitness likes to obsess about appearance in a way that is both demoralizing and degrading. It might have turned you off of fitness altogether. Why even try if you're never going to have six-pack abs or biceps as thick as a truck tire? Why try if you'll never look as good as a 19-year-old on Instagram who wears nothing but a thong? But if you let the marketing obsession with vanity turn you off of fitness, you end up losing far more than looks or likes. You lose something much deeper and far more valuable. I've never heard an adult say, "I want to struggle to shop for groceries. I want it to be hard to vacuum my own home. I want my children or someone I paid to help me get on and off the toilet. I look forward to being utterly dependent on others to accomplish the most basic of tasks." But the quickest path to any of those outcomes is to sit on the couch. It's to tell yourself that exercise is just for vain people who don't have anything better to do but look at themselves in the mirror. But here's what you, and also those narcissists, don't realize. Fitness fundamentally is not about how you look. It's not about whether people praise you. It's not about whether other people want to have sex with you. It's about being able to help yourself and others to be a conduit of good and positive energy, to be able to care for yourself, to be of support and service to your friends, your family, and your community. Yes, the fitter you get, the more you may acquire characteristics that earn you praise, admiration, and social media likes. But don't get this all backwards. The more fit you are to care for yourself and others, the better you will feel. If all you're chasing is looking as good as that guy or that girl, you are chasing a beautiful mirage. And pursuing mirages is how you end up gravely disappointed and dead. Which brings us to a reality that we shouldn't sidestep or sugarcoat. As you get older, things do tend to fall apart. Your body tends towards decay, but it's not a process that you are totally powerless to influence. Exercise helps improve and maintain bone density. It maintains and grows muscle. It keeps your heart strong. These things are all true regardless of your age. That's how you see some very motivated senior citizens staying active with pickleball or even competing on American Ninja Warrior. And you don't have to be an American Ninja Warrior to consider yourself fit. You can use people like this to know what the upper bounds are of what your body can do. But that doesn't address the most common objection I hear from people as they get older. And it goes something like this. That guy was so fit, he exercised all the time, he ate right, and you know what happened? He died early of a heart attack. So what's the point? And here's my answer. If my choice is to die of a heart attack when I'm feeling competent, strong, and full of life, or to spend years or decades losing most of my abilities, independence, and sense of agency, filling my mind and body with fear and anxiety as the number of risks I can no longer confidently handle goes up and grows until I finally pass away quietly in bed, I choose the heart attack. No question. But really, this is a false choice because real life will probably be some kind of middle ground where some loss of ability occurs due to injury, disease, or something random life throws your way. And that will require you to learn a spiritual skill that all of us need to learn as we age, whether we're fit or not. And that is acceptance. Sometimes life places limitations on us that we just can't control. Maybe it's an accident, maybe it's a disease that has rendered part of your body unusable or completely inoperable. As we get older, it takes longer for our bodies to recover from exercise and exertion, and that's something that you can influence somewhat, but you can't entirely change. You're never going to be 17 again. But it's important to remember that within the limits you can't control, there are still variables you can control to make your body stronger and feel better. As an example, there's a guy at my local gym who comes in on crutches and has a hook for a hand who is still showing up to lift weights and get his body as strong as he possibly can despite his injuries. Nothing is going to make you live forever, but exercise can keep you stronger and healthier and help you enjoy the years that you do have. Let me know what you think. Drop a comment down below. Go to uprighthealth.com for programs to help you build resilience for real life. And if you don't want to fall to kill you, watch this video.